Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about the various modules in digital marketing. So before starting I would like to tell you to subscribe my channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon for every video notifications, and also don't forget to like this video. So let's start. What is digital marketing made up of? So the basic components and the main components of digital marketing are content marketing, search engine optimization also known as SEO, search engine marketing also known as SEM, social media marketing also known as SMM, email marketing and web analytics. There are a lot of more components, and if you want to become a digital marketing expert, then you should almost know every one of them. But these are the main ones. Now, let me explain you about these components. So, I have made a mind map for you. So, first let us come on content marketing. So, content can be of two types, informational and entertainment. So the content on websites which is used to give information is informational content. So the sources can be YouTube, blogs or websites, online courses, etc. So like let's talk about my website only. I post both type of content, entertainment also and informational also. As you can see, these all posts that I have posted are informational and the quiz I post are entertainment for the visitors that come on my website. So the content on websites which is used to make visitors entertain is entertainment content. Like for the sources can be YouTube, entertainment websites, movies, online gaming, etc. Also in entertainment websites like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Z5, etc. Also quiz can be one another point. So I will also write that point here. So now let us talk about search engine. So in search engine there are two topics: search engine optimization also known as SEO and search engine marketing also known as SEM. So search engine optimization, let's talk about it. So I will search a keyword like digital marketing course. So like it will load in a few seconds here. So there are two types of content: search engine optimization and search engine marketing. So these are all ads you can see is of search engine marketing, and these are the ads which are ranked. Also these ads can be of a product also and of a website also. Like as you can see, this is of a product or course and this is of a website. They are advertising themselves. So this was of search engine marketing. Now as you can see, many websites are ranked here. So there are many websites as you can see, like the first one is learndigital.withgoogle.com. So this is ranking because of search engine optimization. So this is organic search, organic ranking which is made this post or this website rank. So like if you go on this website, so if you open it in a new tab, it will be a website of Google. So we use SEO to rank our posts, pages and images. Like also you can see here images. In images many images will be there. In news many news will be there. In books many books will be there. So these are ranked, like the ranking is of the first ones that are ranking as you can see there. So the top 10 are the posts which rank on the first page of Google when we search anything. So let me tell you a bit about SEO. So one thing I can tell you now is, like, whatever you type in the search box is a keyword for a post or an ad or any other material that you can use. Okay, so like as you can see here, many type of posts are here. So these are ranking because of SEO. Now let's come on email marketing, or let's talk about social media marketing first. So like you all must be having many accounts on social media, like I have on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So you can make a page on Facebook, and like we also have a page on Facebook. Like I will show you. I will search it, and here. So now it will load. So this is a page, so you can post many things here. So if you make people follow your page, then you if you post anything related to your website, that this is the post here, so you can go and search for it and see what is in it. So you can like use this page on social media platforms for increasing your visitors and followers. Now let's talk about email marketing. So email marketing is used to send emails and market using emails. So like there are many platforms. ConvertKit is one, Aweber is one, and Drip is also one of them. So currently I am using ConvertKit. So like I will show you the dashboard of it. Like I will log in it. So like in ConvertKit, if you choose the free account, then you don't get so much of people or subscribers you can add, but in the other accounts you can use, in the paid version you can add many subscribers in it. So like I'm logging in it with my account, so like it will open the first page, subscribers. Here you can make your landing pages, here you can add your subscribers, here also you can see them. So in broadcast you can go and see whatever emails you have sent, and you can also make a draft. And so if we make a broadcast and send to and click send, then it will send to one person, or you can also make the filter as everyone that are your subscribers. There is another tool in email marketing which is drip marketing. So it is a sequence of email messages delivered over time. We will talk about these things in our upcoming lessons. Let us talk about web analytics. So the analytics is also one of the main points and main component of digital marketing. So web analytics is used to track active users, all-time users, page views, source of visitors, etc. of a website. So these were the main components. Now let's talk about integrated digital marketing. So all components of digital marketing complement each other. The different modules or components overlap each other. Often there are no boundaries. These are more modules to learn as the industry evolves. So if currently there, let's take an example that if there are 20 components in digital marketing now, then in a year it can increase its components like 30, 35, and all of that. Now here is the integrated digital marketing process flow. First comes our quality content or content that we write. So the content we will write can lead us to all of these things. So if we write content, then we can get an email list or generate an email list, and with our email list we can also make users visit our content. If we have an email list, then we can also do sales by mailing them our products, and if also we have quality content, we can also mail them our, we can also make a post on our products and they all can see, and many people also can purchase it. The next is social media. So like quality content, if we go on social media, make an account, and then make a page like on Facebook. So we can post the links of our web pages or content, so people can go there. Also, with our quality content, people can also follow us on the social media. With social media, we can also rank our post on search engine, as the top browser can also notice that our web page is receiving a lot of views, clicks, and all of that, so it can also rank our post. With quality content, we can mainly rank our post on search engines, and with search engines, people can come on our content, view it, and also make profit to us. It will make profit to us. The last part comes ads. So with ads, we can also generate email lists, and like we can also make profit through ads, and we can also get a bunch of viewers on our quality content. So now let's talk about the more modules in digital marketing. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is a start slip testing on your site. It means start slip testing on your site to increase conversions. For example, you have a display ad and it is displayed 100 times, and if 10 people click on it, then it will be equal to 10% conversion rate. Then we have sales funnels, lead scoring, lead nurturing, mobile marketing such as apps and mobile traffic, e-commerce website creation and marketing, video marketing, influencer marketing. Now let's talk about paid advertising methods. So we can advertise our post or website or product using Google AdWords. So if it will be good, then it will rank our ad like I showed you on search engine marketing. So it will be a search engine marketing. Then we can also put Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn ads, but it will not be social media marketing, but it will be social ads. We can also put YouTube video ads, like we can put ads on YouTube videos and then bring much traffic to our site or web page. We can put sponsored content and native ads. We can display ads. We can do affiliate marketing. Now let's understand the funnel. So if you are not understanding the funnel and doing digital marketing, then you will be not able to understand it better without understanding the funnel. So in the top of the funnel, the brand awareness, website visitors, landing page visits come. In middle of the funnel, cold leads, warm leads, lead scoring and nurturing. Bottom of the funnel comes sales call, sales pitch, conversion, customers, repeat customers. Now let's talk about how to learn digital marketing easily. There are so many things to learn, so you must be thinking that it is so complicated. There are so many things to learn, but we can learn it by doing and implementing fast. Like kids learn by getting their hands dirty, and that's how we also learn. So we should feed our curiosity. So to learn digital marketing easily, first we should start a website of our own and tra- drive traffic to it, make revenue from ads or sales. Website useful for showing us. So like if you go for applying a job and you can if you are not getting enough of traffic, and if you have experimented on it enough, then you can show the person who has called you for interview that this was your project, you tested on it, you experimented on it, and this would be the thing that you can show for the thing that you know digital marketing. And it will also be useful for personal branding if you don't go for a job. So what's next? So you should start thinking about a topic for a blog. Choose a topic that you are passionate about. So the steps we will learn about this in next videos. So you should choose a topic, buy domain name, buy web hosting, and install a WordPress blog. So I will teach you these steps in our upcoming lessons. So it was till here today. Thank you for watching it. I will come with interesting lessons in my next videos. But before ending it, I would tell you to subscribe my channel, like this video, comment below, and also see my website and visit and see the things that you can use. So like I have also posted a digital marketing freelance opportunities mind map. You can also see it like here. If I go here, it will download it or it will also display it. So I have told in this freelancing opportunities mind map about the things you can do in digital marketing and in the things that you can do in freelancing for digital marketing. So our lesson is ending here. Thank you for watching till here.